Medical terminology, explainer video. Medical terminology is essential for healthcare. One must be precise when it comes to using such terms. Understanding how the terms are formed allows you to be able to construct and deconstruct unfamiliar terms. The elements of medical terms are its roots, suffixes, and prefixes. Every term has at least one root. The root is the foundation of the term. More than one root can have the same meaning. For example, ng and vas both mean vessels. A root plus a combining vowel creates a combining form. A combining vowel joins a root to another root or suffix and makes the term easier to pronounce. For example, the root num means lung or air plus a no. The combining vowel equals num/o, which is the combining form. Another element of these terms is the suffix, which describe what the root is doing. For example, dermatitis. Dermat is the root and means skin, adding the suffix itis means inflammation. The word as a whole means inflammation of the skin. Another example, arthroscopy. Arthro/o means joint, adding scopy, which means visual examination, makes the word as a whole mean visual examination of a joint. Now on to prefixes. They precede a root to give it a different meaning. An example would be the term pericardium. The prefix peri means around, making pericardium meaning structure around the heart. Another example being endocardium, meaning structure inside the heart. Endo meaning inside. There are also terms that are taken directly from Latin or Greek words or from Old English terms that do not break down into the elements previously discussed. We will now discuss some examples of such terms. Medical comes from a Latin term meaning to heal. It means pertaining to the practice of medicine. The term patient, an Old English term meaning to suffer or undergo. The term refers to a person who is under medical or surgical treatment. The term toxin is a Greek word meaning poison. Now to understand terms by breaking them down into their elements. For example, psychologist. Psyche is Greek for mind, consciousness. Spirito is a combining vowel, and logist is a person who studies, an expert. It is a necessity to use these terms precisely and not cause any confusion. For example, hypotension meaning low blood pressure and hypertension meaning high blood pressure could easily be said incorrectly. This could lead to the wrong treatment being prescribed.